In the heart of a sprawling countryside, where lush green pastures stretched as far as the eye could see, there lived a little lamb named Lily. With her snowy white wool and gentle brown eyes, Lily was the picture of innocence and sweetness. But behind her soft exterior lay a heart heavy with sorrow and longing. From the moment she was born, Lily knew that she was different from the other lambs in the flock. While they frolicked and played in the meadows, she often found herself lingering on the outskirts, her thoughts consumed by a sense of loneliness and isolation. You see, Lily had lost her mother at a young age, taken from her by a sudden illness that swept through the flock like a shadow in the night. Since then, she had been raised by the kindly shepherd and his wife, but try as they might, they could never fill the void left by her mother's absence. As the days turned into weeks and the weeks into months, Lily's sadness only seemed to deepen. Like a dark cloud hanging over her heart, she longed for the warmth of her mother's embrace, the sound of her gentle voice, the comfort of her unconditional love. But no matter how hard she tried, Lily could never quite shake off the sense of emptiness that weighed her down like a stone. Each night, as she lay beneath the twinkling stars, tears would trickle down her cheeks, mingling with the dewdrops on the grass below. One evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon and the sky blazed with hues of orange and pink, Lily found herself wandering through the fields in search of solace. Lost in her thoughts, she stumbled upon a small patch of wildflowers, their delicate petals swaying gently in the evening breeze. Drawn to the beauty and fragility of the flowers, Lily felt a glimmer of hope stirring within her heart. With trembling hooves, she reached out and plucked a single blossom from its stem, cradling it in her woolly embrace like a precious treasure. In that moment, something shifted within Lily, as if a ray of light had pierced through the darkness and illuminated the hidden depths of her soul. For the first time in a long while, she felt a sense of peace and contentment wash over her, like a gentle stream flowing through her troubled mind. As she held the delicate flower in her hoof, Lily realized that while she could never replace the love she had lost, she could honor her mother's memory by embracing the beauty and wonder of the world around her. She knew that her mother would always be with her, guiding her steps and watching over her with love and pride. And so, with a newfound sense of purpose and determination, Lily returned to the flock, her heart lighter than it had been in ages. From that day forward, she vowed to cherish each moment, to savor the beauty of life's fleeting moments, and to never lose sight of the love that surrounded her, even in the darkest of times. And so the tale of Lily the Little Lamb unfolded, a story of loss and longing, of hope and healing. In the heart of the countryside, where wildflowers bloom and gentle breezes whisper through the fields, her legacy endured as a reminder that even in our darkest hours, there is always light to guide us home.